Hey everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I'm here to talk to you about how to find slope. Now, there's a couple of ways. I'm trying to adjust the camera, sorry. There's a couple of ways we've learned so far. The first way we've learned was from a table. When we have a table, we look at the y numbers and we try to see how it is growing. Here, it is actually decreasing by 3. 14 minus 3 is 11, 11 minus 3 is 8, and so on. So our slope is negative 3. And then I said, look at the 0 number, and that is your starting number or your y-intercept, and we write y equals negative 3x plus 5. Another way we've learned was looking at the graph. We look at the slope table, the slope triangle. Here is an 8, and there is a 5. So the vertical is 5 and the horizontal is 8. So the slope is 5 over 8. And it's reaching up to the right, so it's a positive slope. And our starting number here is 2, and we're able to make an equation, 5 over 8x plus 2, right? Okay, well, the new way is the formula, where we have y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. We need to identify x1 and y1. That's your first point. And here's our x2 and y2. We just plug those in, and it replaces the y2 with a 9 minus 7 over 5 minus 3. And let's just work down. We get 2 over 2, which equals 1. Okay, thank you.